The Moto G Stylus 5G, 2024, is a solid mid-range smartphone offering enhanced features over its predecessor while maintaining an attractive price point of $399. Here's a detailed look. Dimensions and form. The Moto G Stylus 5G has a slim and lightweight design, with slightly curved edges that ensure a comfortable grip for extended use. Its dimensions make it manageable despite the large display. A standout feature is the built-in stylus, which slots seamlessly into the device's bottom edge. This stylus is precise and responsive, catering to note-taking, sketching, and navigating tasks. The phone is primarily constructed from polycarbonate plastic, offering durability while keeping the cost low. While it lacks the premium feel of glass or metal devices, the design is solid and functional. The phone features a 6.7-inch POLED display, providing decent viewing angles and accurate colors for its price range. The screen boasts a FHD+ resolution, 1080 by 2400 pixels, ensuring sharp visuals for videos, games, and general use. Refresh rate. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the display is smooth, especially for scrolling, gaming, and stylus-based applications. This is a significant upgrade compared to older models with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. While the brightness level is sufficient for indoor use, it may struggle slightly in direct sunlight compared to OLED panels found in higher-end phones. The Moto G Stylus 5G, 2024, delivers strong performance for its price, thanks to the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor and 8 GB of RAM, which provides smooth multitasking in gaming experiences. The device handles demanding games like Honkai Star Rail on high settings with ease, offering a performance level that feels close to flagship quality for a budget-friendly phone. For a mid-range phone, the Moto G Stylus 5G, 2024, strikes a balance between price and performance, making it a great option for users looking for stylus functionality without compromising on speed or display quality. The Moto G Stylus 5G, 2024, offers 8 GB of RAM, a significant improvement over its predecessor's 6 GB. It also includes 256 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via a microSD card slot supporting up to 2 TB. This makes it versatile for multitasking and accommodating large files, apps, and media. The Moto G Stylus 5G, 2024, offers a competitive dual-camera setup for its price range. The primary rear camera is a 50MP sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, and f/1.8 aperture, designed for sharp, detailed photos with effective low-light performance. The secondary camera is a 13MP ultra-wide lens with a 120 degrees field of view, useful for capturing landscapes and group shots. The front-facing camera is a 32MP sensor, which provides excellent detail for selfies and video calls. The Moto G Stylus 5G, 2024, features a robust 5000 mAh battery that supports reliable day-long use under regular conditions. It pairs this capacity with 30W wired charging, nearly doubling the speed compared to its predecessor, and 15W wireless charging, offering a convenient and efficient charging experience. It runs Android 14 with clean Motorola features like custom gestures and a game mode. However, it lacks advanced AI features found in some competing devices. Pros: great display quality. Stylus adds unique functionality. Clean and smooth software experience. Decent cameras for the price. Cons: mid-tier chipset limits high-end gaming. No charger included in the box. Plastic frame and build. Conclusion: the Moto G Stylus 5G, 2024, is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users who want stylus functionality, a large screen, and reliable performance. While it doesn't compete with flagship devices, it provides great value in its price range.